Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of brightness not working properly on your Windows 11 or 10 desktop laptop. So firstly, what you can do is just simply go to your start menu and search for device manager. Then open device manager. Now over here just simply search for monitors, then click on the drop box and you will find your monitor over there. Just simply right click on it, then just simply go to scan for hardware changes. And after that, again right click on it, go to properties, then go to drivers and just simply click on update driver. Then just simply click on search automatically for drivers. Then again, if it's up to date, just simply close the window. Then just simply close. Then again just simply right click on it, click on update driver. This time just simply click on browse my computer for drivers. Then choose let me pick a list. Now over here what you have to do is, if you have multiple monitors, just simply choose that particular monitor and press next. And see whether your issue is fixed or not. Now after that, if you're still facing the issue, the next thing that you can do is just simply go to your display adapters. And over there you will find your display adapter. Just simply right click on it and click on update driver. And just simply update your drivers for the display adapter. And after doing that, just simply restart your computer and see whether your issue is fixed or not. Now after the restart, if you are still having the issue, just simply go to your start menu and right click on it. Then go to settings. Now over there you will find display panel. Just simply go inside it. And over here you will find a brightness column. So just simply increase that to full or try using the night light. And you can adjust the sensitivity. And you can also adjust the strength for the night light from over here. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.